Alright guys, this is just a quick down and dirty proof of life video. What we have today is a bunch of Alaska Railway units. We have 4 E units and 3 SD70MACs. The E units are all E8/9s, 2 A units, 2 B units, one's a custom painted job. I believe the other 3 are all stock Kato. So those have all been converted to ESU LokSound. They've had the frames machined and they got V5 micros installed. Also on the A units, I took and I separated out the upper headlight and lower headlight and installed a Mars light in there. So we could just, we're just going to roll right into it. So put some sound on, got your headlight. That's just a shutdown sequence, so I'm not going to do that for all 4 of these units, but I will show them running because I can. These are just the units, so. Same thing. We And now we're going to move on to the SD70MACs here. Alright, so the SD70MACs, it's actually kind of hard to tell here because there's so much saturated light in here. These have separate 0402 LEDs for the ditch lights. And what makes these things challenging is just that Kato molded everything in yellow plastic and it's very translucent. So after you clip the light bars and what have you, you can't just install them. You got to go and paint them over with something that's opaque like silver, just so you don't get a whole bunch of light bleed through in these things. But that being said, we will fire up the sound, and these are all identical, so start this up. And away we go. And there you go. Kato SD70MAC with 58741 ESU boards, 15x8 speakers installed, separate LEDs for the ditch lights, and that's about it. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. Hope you had a great day. Hope you learned something. Bye-bye.